In today's session, we will see what is CSV file and how to create CSV file, then how we can export data from data frame to CSV file and CSV file to data frames. So what is CSV? CSV stands for comma separated values. So normally the large amount of data will be normally stored in the form of CSV file. So that means every data is separated by comma. So comma separated values file which allows data to be saved in a tabular format. CSV is a simple file such as spreadsheet or database. Files in CSV format can be imported and exported from programs that store data in tables such as Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice. CSV files data fields are most often separated or delimited by comma. Here, the data in each row are delimited by comma and individual rows are separated by new line. So this is the way of storing the data in a CSV file. So we can create a CSV file ourselves in a notepad by mentioning the data and separating by commas, and also you can create it through Excel file. And mainly when large amount of data is stored, some data will be internally stored in CSV files that can be read in Python, and it can be converted into a data frame. Then the operations can be performed on the data frames. Okay, it is the advantages of doing using CSV files. So here the file size will be less. Okay, so to create a CSV file, first choose your favorite text editor such as Notepad and open a new file. Then enter the text data you want the file to contain, separating each value with comma and each row with new line. Save the file with extension .csv. You can open the file using MS Excel or any other spreadsheet program. It will create a table of similar data. You just write it in comma separated data, it will be converted into form of a table if you open it with Excel. So or directly you can create it through Excel also. So this is how CSV file is created. Okay. So when you use in Python to read CSV files, we have a function called read underscore CSV. So what did this function do is it reads the data. If you are having a large amount of data or data in the form of CSV, so that can be read and converted into a data frame using read CSV function. So, so see here some codes are written here. Import pandas as PD, then tf equal to pd dot read CSV. Then you are mentioning the CSV file name. emp.csv is the file name here. So it is under E drive. You need to specify the path also, or the same file where you are storing the Python in that particular uh, folder itself you have CSV file, then you need not specify this. Otherwise you need to specify e colon slash. For example, you have data in my folder, so you specify my folder, then specify the file name. This path to be followed. Then if you write print df, what happens is the data which is read from the CSV file will be displayed as a data frame. This is just example here. I'll just show you with the mm, real example also through the programs. Next, so this is how to read the file. Remember the function for reading is read CSV. Remember this is maybe asked for in exam also. Then exporting data from data frame to CSV file. Now in reverse, now we have a data frame that you want to transfer it as a CSV file. So how to do that? To export data frame into CSV file, first of all we create a data frame, say df1, and use data frame dot to CSV function and specify the name of the data frame with the path where it has to be stored. So this method is used to export data frame df1 into the CSV file called data frame 1. So this is how data will be transferred from data frame to CSV file. So here we'll just see the example here. So if I write import pandas as PD, then there is a dictionary, sorry, this is a list of dictionaries. List is given, within that you have a dictionary. So name, Sachin, surname. So name and surname are the keys, and Sachin and Bharadwaj is a value. So there are similar three values, keys and values: Vinod Verma, Rajesh Mishra. So this data is converted into a data frame here. So you have a data frame now. You want to transfer this into a CSV file. So how to do that? Data frame 1.2 CSV. So this is the function used for converting in data frame into CSV. To CSV function, then specify the file name, CSV file name. So this what it does is it converts this data frame into CSV file. It's just a simple function. So there are two functions needed. Mainly CSV stands for comma separated values. So a CSV file can be created simply by typing in Notepad the values separated with commas and new lines. New lines means press enter. So each data will be represented in tabular form when we open it with the Excel or any other application, similar applications. So or you transfer that CSV file into data frame, it will show it in the form of a rows and columns. Clear? So similarly, from data frame also you can transfer those data to a CSV file. So there are two functions used here. One is read CSV for reading the CSV file. Another one is to CSV function, that is to transfer it to a CSV file. I'll just demonstrate this with the example. Okay. So let me. Okay, first let us create a CSV file. I'll open a notepad. So in notepad, I'm just writing serial number, comma name, comma age. Okay. So in next line, I'm writing serial number 1, Prakash, it's a name, then age 35. Okay. 2, Kishore, then age 34. Okay. So I just save this. While saving, I'll save it in E drive. Okay. So I'll make this as all files. Otherwise, it will be saved as a txt file. I don't want to save it as a txt file, so I'll make it as all files. Then I will name this. For example, I will name this as my CSV. My CSV dot CSV. I need to write its file extension, that is CSV. So my CSV dot CSV I wrote. So CSV is the extension, file extension. Okay. So in E drive I saved this. Okay. Now I want to read this through Python codes. So I just have to write. Okay, I'll just put this comment first. Just consider only the first three lines. Okay. So import pandas as PD, then data frame equal to PD dot read CSV. I'm opening a file from E drive. So the name what I gave here is my CSV dot CSV. So this is the name of the file. So it reads the CSV file, converting into a data frame and prints the data frame. Let me run this. You see, whatever I stored in a notepad file, it is displayed as a data frame. So this is nothing but a CSV file. So CSV file is converted into a a data frame using pd.read CSV function. Clear? I can also open this CSV file. I'll just show you, like it is in E drive, right? So in E drive I've stored this. So name is my CSV. Let me check that. So it shows in this manner, right? I can open this my CSV file with Excel also. Okay, what happens, you see how the data is displayed. See, so the data what we entered in Notepad is in a mm, separated by comma. Now the data is stored in the form of table. So this is how CSV file works. Normally, when you are storing a large amount of data, all data internally will be saved in CSV form. So that can be read through Python codes, and it can be converted into PDF. Then analysis of the data can be done. So that is how the data analysis is done. Okay. Now we know now how to read CSV file. Similarly, how to write to CSV file. Okay, let us see that. Now I'll put comment for these two lines. You see the remaining lines now. Okay, so I'll remove this. Now I will create a data frame. Then convert that data frame into CSV file. Okay, so how to do that? So first, just like I'll put this at the last. Okay, so first import pandas as pd. Then I'm creating a list of dictionaries. So name Sachin, surname Bharadwaj. So key list of dictionaries there. So first dictionary contains the key name and surname and value Sachin and Bharadwaj. Similarly, second dictionary contains name and surname Vinod and Verma. Next one is Rajesh and Mishra. So all these are enclosed in a list. So it is a list of dictionary. So if I transfer, if I create data frame from this list, it will be a tabular form, right? So I have a data frame now created. However, I want to convert it into a CSV file. So what I should do is data frame dot to CSV function, then specify the path where you want to save it, then also file name. So we'll save, for example, new. I'll just make it as a new CSV. Okay, new CSV dot CSV. So CSV is the file extension. I want to convert it into a new file called new CSV. So here I specified e colon slash. That means I am storing in E drive. So, or if you remove this, it will be saved in the same file where this file is saved. Clear? So you can specify the path, or directly you can give the name of the file. So now if you run this, what happens is, so something wrong. Invalid argument. Okay, let us see what is wrong. Here dot new CSV dot. Let me check. Okay, let us see. So here df1 dot to CSV and specify the file name dot CSV. Something wrong was there in this CSV. So just run this and see how it works. Okay, you just got the command, right? Command prompt you got. Now actually we are not displaying anything here. So actually the data frame is created and you are transferring into a CSV file. So we need to see that in the E drive whether any file contains data frame 3.csv. Okay, so we'll go to E drive and check. So in E drive, check any CSV file contains. So there is a file called data frame 3. So let us check what is its contents. So what we have passed through the data frame. So Sachin Bharadwaj, Vinod Verma, Rajesh Mishra. So it is shown as a table here. So from data frame to CSV file and CSV file to data frame we can transfer. So is it clear? So it can be opened in Notepad also. If you open this with Notepad, then it will be shown as a comma separated values. Clear? So this is how CSV file works. So mainly you need to know what is CSV file, then how to transfer from CSV file to data frame file, data frame to CSV file. So CSV stands for comma separated values, and the function to read CSV file is, that is, pd.read CSV, read underscore CSV for reading. Similarly, the function for writing to CSV file, that is data frame dot to underscore CSV function. Clear? I hope you are clear with this concept of CSV files and how to transfer from data frame to CSV file and CSV file back to data frames. Is it clear? The remaining things we'll see in the next session.